Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Nadine Resort here in Initaw, Misamis Oriental. Napakaganda ng resort na to. And as you can see, medyo maraming noise na naririnig, no? Merong hangin and meron ding TV na naka-turned on. So I guess it's the right time for me to introduce to you guys the needed microphone for those podcaster wannabes or vlogger wannabes. Para sa inyo ito. This is what we call the TNWA37. This device, I've had it for like 3 months already. I've been testing it to see if it's really good for those who would wanna try videos, no? So this one has 2 mics. If dalawa kayo, pwede nyo itong magamit na mga device or mga microphones, at yung receiver naman niya is nasa gitna. So we're gonna try it now to see if it's perfect for us. If mawawala ba yung background noise or ma-minimize ba yung TV natin na naririnig sa likod. So we're gonna try it out. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so you should be able to see a clearer sound. Nami-minimize na yung TV at saka nawala yung mga background noises. And ang napakaganda nitong device is that it's just a matter of click here. If you want your audience to really hear a raw sound, you can just press this to remove the noise cancellation. Kaya maririnig nyo uli yung mga background noises. But if you want to be able to convey a clear message, a clear tone and sound, just press again the noise cancellation option. Ayan, and you should be able to hear a good and quality sound. Ang napakaganda nito is that magnetic na tong device. So it has, press ko again, it has this magnet here wherein pwede mo lang ilagay dyan. Ayan. And if you don't want people to actually see this mic kasi parang halatang halata, no? You could always put it on the inside, no? Idea lang to para at least parang nakatago siya in a way, and you can just place it on a more convenient area. Pwede mo ilagay kahit saan or if may cap pwede ding doon, no? And as what I've said earlier, dalawang devices to. And what's cool about it is that it also has a clip na available na pwede mo lang gamitin so that you can just clip it on your shirt. So kagaya nito, I already have it here. I could just